Hi, this is SAP SD Tutor with Uplatz. Now I am going to cover part 1 of Introduction to ERP and SAP. Now I will share the screen. As I already told you, our topic is Introduction to ERP and SAP. Now you have to understand first what is ERP and what is SAP. I will explain you now. So ERP means it is one type of software. The full form of ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So this is one type of software, this ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Now there is one company. That company name is SAP SE. SAP SE, that company. This company creates this ERP software. This company, SAP SE company, creates, it is a head office in, it is in Germany. This company will create this enterprise resource planning. That software this company will create. So this is called company. Next, they have put one name for their enterprise resource planning. This enterprise resource planning is a general name. It is a software. The general name of that software is enterprise resource planning. Now they have put, this SAP SE company has put some special name for that ERP software. That short form is, again, they have put like SAP. Here, don't get confused with SAP and SAP SE. SAP SE means it's a company. It's a company in Germany. This SAP means it is a software which is related to enterprise resource planning. Now, I will tell full form of this SAP. This SAP means Systems Applications and Products in data processing. In data processing. So this is the relationship between ERP and SAP. First of all, once again, I will tell you this ERP, I'm selecting this. This ERP is one type of software. That software name is Enterprise Resource Planning. There is one company there in Germany. That company name is SAP SE. This company produces one type of enterprise resource planning. That enterprise resource planning is the general name of that software. Now they have put their special name for this SAP. This is special name. The full form of this SAP is Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. So this is the details about, basic details about ERP and SAP. Now we will go to this topic, Introduction to ERP and SAP. Now I will mention one by one those details. SAP is a market leader in providing ERP solutions. ERP solutions. So this SAP means this SAP SE. That means SAP SE. I'm writing this also. So SAP SE is a market leader in providing ERP solutions. There are so many companies are there which provide that ERP software. Among them, 80% of the business is carried by this SAP SE company. Here, next what we are going to learn is what is ERP. I am going to explain you now. What is ERP? As I already told you, this ERP means it's a one type of software, but still there are a lot of details are there. I will explain you now. That enterprise resource planning is a software that is built for organizations belonging to different industrial sectors, regardless of their size. So this ERP software is useful for every organization, irrespective of what industrial sector it belongs to. So every organization requires this ERP software, and also irrespective of its size. Large companies need this ERP solutions. Mid-sized companies need this ERP solutions. Small size companies also need this ERP solutions. Next, the ERP package is designed to support and integrate almost every functional area of a business process such as procurement of goods, sales and distribution, sale and distribution, finance, accounting, human resource, manufacturing, production planning, logistics and warehouse management, logistics and warehouse management. So this ERP package, what is the work of this ERP package is it will integrate all functions of organization. There are so many functional areas in the organization: finance function, sales function, human resource function, manufacturing function, logistics function. So it will integrate all those functions. So what is integration? Means there will be a coordination among all those functions, and there will be a sharing of data among all those functions. So this ERP software makes sure that there is a sharing of data among all those functional areas. If there is no sharing of data among all those functional areas, then the organization cannot run successfully. So that's why this ERP software enables the organization to have very good coordination among all the departments. Next. Next topic is business process integration. This is also part of the same project only. Business process integration. Business process integration. In short form, it is called BPI. BPI. What is this business process integration means? Like I already told you, there must be coordination among all the functional areas in the organization. Having those coordination among all those departments is called business process integration. So there will be integration between all those functional areas. So why this integration is needed means, once again, I will tell you, suppose if there is any sales order will come from sales departments, then that information must pass immediately to production department. Then only they will start producing the products. If the sales, suppose one company is there, that is car manufacturing company. So they have got 10 sales, 10 number in cars, means they have got order of producing 10 cars. Immediately this information must be passed to production departments. Then only they can start producing those things. And immediately finance department also know that. Why? Because they have to release the funds for that. And immediately HR department must know that. So they will make their own contributions to this manufacturing. So like that, there must be very good integration among all the departments. Then only any company can run successfully. If there is no integration, suppose sales order comes for 10 cars. but that information will not reach production department. Then what happens? They will not start producing the cars, and finally the customers will be suffered. And finally, the company also will get bad image. So that's why the business process integration is very much needed for any company. Now I will explain you. Every business requires connected systems with efficient information, with efficient information flow, information flow from one business process to another. So every business must have connected systems. What is this connected systems means? That is nothing but integration. So every business requires connected systems. All those departments, all those functional areas must be connected with each other. Then only the information will flow freely from one department to another department. Next, BPI. BPI means business process integration, plays an important role in overcoming integrating challenges that allows organizations to connect systems. So this BPI only enables organizations to connect systems within the organization. So this BPI only ensures the company will overcome the integrating challenges. It's a very challenge. So having integration among different departments is a challenge. So that challenge can be fulfilled by following this BPI, business process integration. Next, BPI process. Now I will tell you some advantages of this business process integration. BPI process allows automation of business processes. So this BPI ensures organization has automation of business processes. What is automation? Means the automatically the information and everything will flow from one department to another department. So among different business processes, there will be free flow of coordination, automatic coordination. So that will be ensured by this BPI, business process integration. Next advantage is integration of systems and services So with the help of BPI only, that different departments have integration among themselves. Next advantage is secure sharing of data across different departments. So like I told you in the example, if sales order comes, that information must flow to production department, must reach the production department. That's what this sharing of data. This sharing of data is also possible only by this business process integration. So how this business process integration is obtained means by having ERP solutions, by having SAP solutions, we can have this business process integration. So this business process integration has a lot of advantages, has 3 advantages like this. Next, I will explain. There are different functional areas. So what are those functional areas? I will explain you now. So there are a lot of functional areas in any organization. So what are those functional areas? I will explain you now. So functional areas. So what are these functional areas means? This is nothing but a departments. Like in any organization, there are number of departments. So those departments only are called these different functional areas. So one by one, I will explain those functional areas. First functional area is financial accounting. Financial accounting. This financial accounting deals with financial transactions and data. So this financial accounting function will deal with financial transactions. So all the financial transactions within the company is the responsibility of this functional area, financial accounting. So next functional area is human resource. This human resource deals with information related to employees of an organization. Employees of an organization. So this human resource function mainly deals with employees of organization. Next functional area is customer relationship management. Customer relationship management. So this function deals with capturing and managing customers' relationship. Relationship. So this customer relationship management, this is one functional area. Its main responsibility is to have good, very good customer relationship. Next function is sales and distribution. It deals with order placements, delivery, and invoicing. So this sales and distribution, it mainly deals with order placement. Order placement means this sales order. So after giving sales order by the customer, the company will deliver the goods. That's why second is delivery. After goods are delivered, so bill will be given to the customer. The customer has to pay the bill. So that's why invoice is nothing but bill. So third activity is invoicing. So these three activities are part of this sales and distribution function. First one, order placements. Next, delivery of the goods. Next, invoicing. Next functional area, logistics and warehouse management. Logistics and warehouse management. This function deals with storage of products, and shipment. So this logistics and warehouse management function, it deals with storage of the products, means the goods have to be stored very carefully in the organization. And after storing, they have to be shipped to different customers' locations. That is called shipment. So these two activities, storage of the products and shipment of the products, is the responsibility of logistics and warehouse management. Next functional area I will explain. So next functional area is, I will explain you now, supply chain management. Supply chain management. So it deals with movement of the products, storing, managing, and controlling supplies. So this is supply chain management. It deals with movement of the products from one place to another place. There are a lot of players, key players in the supply chain management. Means suppliers of the raw materials, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and consumers. All these people are called supply chain. And this supply chain management mainly deals with movement of the products. Products have to be moved from manufacturer to distributor, distributor to retailer, retailer to consumer, and in between they have to be stored also. So every movement of the goods, the total movement of the goods, is the work of this supply chain management. Now, last functional area is business intelligence. It deals with analyzing data, and converts it into information. So business intelligence means it will take the data and it will analyze, and that data is analyzed means it will give very good information for companies. So that is the job of this business intelligence functional areas. So this is functional areas. Thank you for listening to my course.